How's everybody doing? This is Jack from JM Figures and welcome back to another video of unboxing a figure. Before we get to unbox, let's talk about what's the possibility, what could happen at WrestleMania. So, who will challenge Gunther for the Intercontinental Champion? Who will that be? Who knows? Who knows? But all I know is that Jey Uso and Jimmy Uso will face off at WrestleMania. That will be huge. That will be huge if that happens. But let's I hope it does. I hope it does, because brother versus brother at WrestleMania, who would not want to see that, you know? Brother versus brother. I'll keep my hopes up, and I think it's gonna happen. But anyways, so who do you guys think is gonna win? Drew McIntyre or Seth Rollins for the World's Heavyweight Champion? That's another card that, like, I don't know. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. WrestleMania is gonna be good. Everything's gonna be good. The Tribal Chief will go one-on-one with Cody Rhodes again, and I hope Cody Rhodes wins this time, because last time, oh man, I didn't like the outcome of WrestleMania right here in Hollywood. I didn't like it, so let's change the outcome of this one, Cody, and let's win this one. So, let's further introduce to you right now. This is her first time here, her first time being as a figure. So, let's bring you out Series 95 Shotzi. That's very, very awesome. This first time in the line. This is very, very cool. Green hair and everything. Shotzi. Straight NXT Women's Champion. No, NXT Tag Team Women's Champion. Sorry about that. This is so cool. The diving senton has a finisher move. That's really cool. Wow. Shotzi. That would have been so cool if it would have come with the tank that she comes out in, but hopefully they do make more of her, and which they have the tank. Let's unbox Shotzi. So there's one here. There's one over here. So let's be careful not to hurt ourselves. And we should be good. Slice it here on the top a little bit. There you go. There's one here on the bottom as well. Let's get to unbox Shotzi. That's really, really awesome right there. Shotzi. Shotzi with the green hair and everything. Look at that. So let's get her out of this plastic. So there is a little thing holding her back this way. So be careful not cutting yourself, guys. There you go, that's one. I think it was only one holding her down. That's really awesome. And just one holding her down. But we gotta take her out carefully. Shotzi. Man, sometimes it's kind of hard taking these figures out. They're too little stiff in here, but anyways, she came out. Just look at that. Shotzi. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Shotzi here in our collection now. Series Elite 95. This is cool. I like the little helmet. This is our helmet. Right there. Right on her. Oop. Here you go. Shotzi. I like the green hair. So Shotzi does come with 2 extra hands. So she has one like that throwing up right now. She has another one right here. Just be careful, guys, when you're trying to take out her fingers. There you go. So let's switch up her hand. There you go. Now would you look at that? Shotzi. This is so awesome. This is so cool and awesome. Look at that. So let's give you guys a close look of Shotzi. And I hope you guys will like it and get into your collection because it's a good figure. She looks nice. She looks clean. It looks nice. Look at the hair. The back of her. So let's give her a close look. So there you guys have her. The Daredevil herself. Shotzi. This is so awesome. Man, look at her. Look how she looks. Look how she is. Man, look. Oh, sorry. The camera a little bit. Look at that. The green. The head sculpt. Everything. Look to the tattoos. That's all so awesome. So awesome to have. Sorry about that. Sorry. Ugh, little caught on my words. So awesome to have Shotzi right here and part of my collection. So this will be, I think, my 11th, or probably, I believe, my 12th female superstar as a figure. This is so awesome. And I hope you guys get her part of your collection because this is a good figure to keep in your collection. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, let's wrap up this video because this video is over. So I want to thank you guys for watching the video. I want to thank you guys for commenting on the video, liking, subscribing, and if you're new, please like, please subscribe, hit that subscribe button. You won't be disappointed because there will be more figures coming. There will be more figures to be unboxed, and I hope you guys have a good one. Till the next time, later.